Well, God bless each and everyone okhona njengamanje online. This is your prophet or Dr. Slindo Mate, and thank you so much ngokwenza isikhathi uthi uzosilalela la online. And I'm promising you one thing ukuthi le teaching izokwenza umehluko omkhulu empilweni yakho, and I'm telling you your life will never ever be the same again. And thank you so much for making isikhathi. Namhlanje I want us sikhulume the topic which is very powerful. The three parts of prophecy. The three parts of prophecy. Three parts of prophecy. Sina WhatsApp group yethu esikhuluma khona sinesikhathi sonke. Mhlawumbe ngabe ufuna ukuba WhatsApp group noma ufuna ne-access elula noProphet Slindo Mate, ngena WhatsApp group yethu usebenzisa yona le map engezansi. And then futhi siphinde sibe nama prophetic classes ase-Pinetown. Mabe ufuna ukungena ku-prophetic class ebizwa nge-face to face prophetic class, isebenzisa le number futhi esescreenini. And then ngomhla ka-28 kuyona futhi le nyanga ka-February sobe sinenkonzo emolweni ehlanganise bonke abaprofethi base-KZN baseThekwini. Sobe sikhona sinenkonzo e-powerful kabi ebizwa ngokuqala nathi prophetic service, and I'm looking forward to ukuhosta as your prophet. Three parts of prophecy. Alright, so now kunento eziwu-3 ezibaluleke kakhulu efuna ukuzazi la ka-prophecy, ukuthi number 1 kunento ebizwa ngokuthi i-revelation. Revelation, that's number 1, that's a revelation. And la ka-prophecy bekhona into number 2 ebizwa ngokuthi yini, i-interpretation. Interpretation. And then number 3 kube khona u-application. So when you prophesy you receive a revelation. So when you prophesy you receive a revelation, and then your revelation kufuneka ufike kwi-stage ukuthi we interpret. So you receive a revelation, and then number 2 you interpret the revelation, and then number 3 ungena ki-application of that revelation. So now point number 1, I want us to get deep ukuthi uma besikhuluma nge-revelation, what are we talking about? So now you need to understand ukuthi lowo muntu othole a prophetic word or responsible for the interpretation of that word. Okay, let me try again. As umuntu othole that prophetic word, you are responsible for a revelation as utholakala that prophetic word. So ngamanye amazwi abanele ukuprofeta ungena revelation. Kunabantu othi ngithi mabe ngikubona when I was praying I saw you ugqoke ingubo e-cream white, noma I saw you ugqoke ingubo e-pink, and bese agcine lapho. Akwanele lokho. No, akwanele. That was ilokozana. That was a vision yabo oyibonile. You need ukuthi uthole a revelation from that vision. Why bengathi ngigqoke ingubo e-pink? What is the meaning of ingubo e-pink? Bengathi ngokuba so ilona lephisi uNkulunkulu alikhulumile. So lokho kufala ngaphansi kwani kwe-revelation. So uma ngabe kufika a dream ukuthi ngithe mangabe ngilele ebusuku ngakuphupha udla inyama yenkomo, akwanele lokho. But into eyenza i-prophecy ibe eyenza iphupho libe i-prophecy ukuthola the interpretation from that dream. So the interpretation oyithola kulelo dream iyona ke le eletha the revelation of the prophetic word. Do you understand? So akwanele ukuthi ubone a dream, akwanele ukuthi uthole a vision, but into ebalekile ukuthi how do you interpret a vision, and how do you interpret the dream? So this is very important before ukuthi si understand kuba abantu abaningi umuntu ofika kulethele iphupho athi ngibona u1 no2 no3 but angayilethi interpretation. So ukuletha iphupho without an interpretation akusiyona prophecy, but into eyenza i-prophecy ibe i-prophecy ile ukuthi uyibonile iphupho, wayibona i-vision, and then wase uyakwazi ukui-interpreta. So the moment ukwazi ukui-interpreta lokho sekwenza kube prophecy. Number 1, that's revelation. All right, so that's number 1. All right, and then bese wakhona number 2 uthi interpretation. Now usibonile i-revelation, ubonile i-vision, wayithola i-revelation. So now ufuneka ufike kwi-stage sani se-interpretation. You need to interpret. You need to interpret what you saw. You need to interpret a vision. You need to interpret a dream. Ukuze ikwazi ukuba yini, ukuze ikwazi ukuba i-prophecy. Ayibe i-prophecy up until you interpret the same. You understand? So now, ma besikhuluma nge-interpretation, i-interpretation ithi yona ke iqonda ukuthini i-revelation, yini oyiphikile up ngesikhathi ubona that revelation. So yini oyiphike up, so leyo nto osuke oyiphikile iyona eyenza ukuthi kube yini, kube i-prophecy. So ngamanye amazwi ayibi i-prophecy up until you interpret. Do you understand? Ayibi i-prophecy up until you interpret. You need to know ukuthi wena as umuntu prophetic, you are, oh my God, you are responsible for interpretation of that dream. You are responsible for interpretation of that vision. Do you understand? So in other words, ukuyibona kukodwa akwanele. So uma buhluleka kuyi-interpreter, kumele ube nayo umuntu oyi-senior prophet noma umuntu operator kwi-higher dimension than yours, and that person uzobe sek-interpretela your vision, interpretela your dream. You understand? So ngamanye amazwi ukuthi ngibonile akwanele, ukuthi ngizwile akwanele, but into ebalulekile ukuthi before you prophesy that, ukwazile ukuthola a true meaning, noma a meaning behind that vision, noma a meaning behind that dream. So lokho kungena kufola ngaphansi kwani, kufola ngaphansi kwe-interpretation. You need to be able to interpret your dreams. You need to be able to interpret your visions. Do you understand me, God? Okay. Then ke bese sigela kuyilokhuzana kwi-part number 3. I-part number 3 ithi nakimane ngithi revelation, interpretation. Sesigela kwi-part number 3. U-part number 3 uthi application. Application. My God, my God, my God. Singana ku-part number 3. Number 3 uthini? Uthi application. Application, right? Application. Now, uma besikhuluma nge-application, i-application is very very deep. I-application is very deep ngoba ethi number 1 uyibonile vision, noma ubonile iphupho, and then wasiyazama ukuli-interpreta, and then wayithola i-meaning very deep ngalelo phupho, noma wayithola i-meaning very deep ngaleyo vision, right? So now okubalulekile ke manje esesingena khona i-application. How do you prophesy the same message? Yabo, abantu abaningi bakwazi ukuthola umyalezo, but babe ne-challenge yokuthi how to prophesy the same message abayitholile. Alright, so uma uyitholile ke ini, number 1 revelation, number 2 wayithola interpretation, and then so stage number 3 noma ukupart number 3 ukuthi ke we apply kanjani leyo prophetic message. I have to tell you this, each and every prophetic message oyitholile akukho comparison ukuthi uyiprofete ngaleso sikhathi. Akusiwona wonke ama-prophecies afuna ukuwaprofethe ngaleso sikhathi. Abanye ama-prophecies ungawaprofetha at the later stage. Kodwa uma uyitholile i-message, kubalulekile ukuthi lowo muntu ebekumele ayireceive leyo message umdlulisele umyalezo wakhe. I repeat, kubalulekile ukuthi lowo muntu okwazile ukutholela umyalezo ukwazi ukumdlulisela umyalezo wakhe, because lowo myalezo kufanele kufinyelele kuyena. So amabandla wafaniki, sometimes uzothola i-message ethanda uba phezudlwana kwakho. So uma ubona ithanda uba phezudlwana kwakho, i-message ungayisa kwi-leadership of the church, ungayisa kwi-leadership of the church, noma kumfundisa lowo muntu bese abdlulisela umyalezo. Especially futhi mabe kuwumyalezo webandla lonke, awume ebandleni uvele umemezele umyalezo webandla lonke uma ubona ukuthi owebandla and ikhona i-founder of that church. So kubalulekile ukuthi uyidlulise umyalezo uwuse kwi-founder noma kwi-leader of the church, and then i-leader of the church uzobe sedlulisa lowo myalezo. Right, lokhu kubizwa nge-application. Uma umyalezo o-individual uyakwazi ukudlulisa kulowo muntu direct uwuse kuyena. Because of time asibambe lapho namhlanje, but equally prophetic class esePine Town, especially ngemfundo zaka-prophecy nemfundo zaka-ministry. Uma uthi u-interested ufuna ukungena kulo nyaka, siyaqala ukufunda ke-weekend yokuqala ku-March, njengoba kuzothi March. Uma u-interested ngicela ungithinte kule number engezansi, ungithumele le WhatsApp, ngizophendula ngokukhulu ukushesha. God bless you and shalom.